Hello, this is Andy Leibenguth with Tamaqua.com, doing a test feed, live feed, from the Trinity parking lot facing the 5 Points intersection in Tamaqua on Sunday, April 5th, around, what time is it now? 6 o'clock p.m. So just doing a little test, see how it works. This is live via a camcorder. Wow, I'm impressed. 60 zoom. Using a tripod on a windy day. Should probably get some weights for the tripod. Well, that is the end of the test. The video is approximately 2 minutes and 30 seconds long. Talk to you later, Tamaqua.